morning, children. Welcome to your social studies class. In today's class, we are going to start a new chapter from your social studies book. The name of the chapter is Festivals. So today we will talk about festivals. Now, children, in our country, we celebrate a lot of festivals throughout the year. Now, why do we celebrate festival? Festival is a time when we can enjoy and we can share our joy and happiness with others. Festival gives us a lot of enjoyment. We can escape the boredom of our daily life. So we all love festival. Now, in our country as well as the world celebrates different kinds of festival. Festival can be of different types. Now, I have written 3 types of festivals. The first one is religious festival. Religious festival revolves around some religion. Like in Hinduism, we celebrate Dussehra, Diwali and other festivals. The Muslims celebrate Eid, Muharram, etc. And the Christians celebrate the Christmas. So, these are all religious festivals. Now, we also celebrate some national festivals like the Independence Day or the Republic Day. These are of national significance. And we also celebrate some festivals that revolves around the birthdays of great persons like the Teachers' Day or the Children's Day. So, these can be the 3 categories of festival. Now we will discuss some popular festivals of our country that are famous worldwide. Now, the first festival that I am going to talk about is a religious festival that is celebrated majorly by the Hindus. That is Dussehra. Dussehra is one of the most popular festivals of the Hindus. Now, why do we celebrate Dussehra? Dussehra is celebrated to celebrate the occasion of the event when Lord Rama killed Ravana. When Lord Rama killed the great Ravana, that day is celebrated as the Dussehra. Now, Dussehra is celebrated throughout the country. We enjoy a lot during this time. In West Bengal, we celebrate it as Durga Puja, and the rest of the country celebrate it as the Dussehra. So, Dussehra is celebrated on the occasion of Lord Rama killing the great Ravana. So, that was Dussehra. Do you celebrate Dussehra? Do you love this festival? Now, another festival that I hope all of you like. That is Diwali. Diwali is one of the most exciting festivals of India. Now, why do we celebrate Diwali? After killing Ravana, Lord Rama returned to his native land after 14 years of exile. So that day is celebrated as Diwali. So on Diwali, what happened? Lord Rama returned from 14 years exile. So that is the reason to celebrate Diwali. Now during Diwali, we celebrate the victory of good over evil. So we lit up lots of diyas and candles in our houses to disappear the darkness from our house as well as from our lives. And we also distribute sweets and gifts among our relatives and friends. We also burn some crackers during Diwali, but that is not at all a good practice. We should not burn crackers. That leads to pollution. Now that is all about Diwali. So Diwali is widely called the festival of light. Do you celebrate Diwali? What do you do on such days? Discuss with your parents. Now I will talk about some more festivals that you love. Now we will talk about some more festivals that are celebrated in India with much pomp and show. The first one is Christmas. Christmas is the festival of the Christians, but we all love to celebrate Christmas. Now, why do we celebrate Christmas? Because we celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ was born on this day, that is 25th of December. 25th December. Every year we celebrate Christmas. People go to the church to offer their prayers to the God. We love to eat cakes and sweets. We also decorate the Christmas tree with lights and bells. And children love to get gifts from the Santa Claus. Have you ever got a gift from the Santa Claus? Now, next is Eid. Eid is the festival of the Muslims. During the Ramzan month, Muslims fast, and on this day of Eid, they break that month-long fasting. So Eid is the end of Ramzan. On this day, they go to the mosque and they offer their prayers. They do namaz, and after the namaz, they greet each other by the phrase Eid Mubarak. On this day, they distribute food and clothes among the poor people. Shewa is the special kind of dish that is prepared on this day. So Eid is a very auspicious festival of the Muslims. Now we will talk about Guru Parab. Guru Parab is the festival of the Sikhs, and on this day they celebrate the birthday of 10 Sikh Gurus. They celebrate the birthday of 10 Sikh Gurus. On this day, they go to the Gurudwara. They go to the Gurudwara and offer their prayers. On this day, they organize Langar, where hundreds and hundreds of people get free meal. So this is Guru Parab. That is the festival of the Sikhs. And lastly, we have Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November. Every year on this day, we celebrate Children's Day. Why? because this is the birthday of the great Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on this day. Now, who was Jawaharlal Nehru? Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India, and he was loved by children. So, his birthday is celebrated as the Children's Day. He was lovingly called Chacha Nehru. So, these were some festivals of India. I hope you have understood this chapter. Please try to read the chapter by yourself. That will help you. I will meet you in my next class. Till then, take care.